Hello friends, this is Ashish and you are seeing this fourth video tutorial of this series Java Enterprise Edition video tutorials, and in this video tutorial I'll be just giving you a very short introduction about what are the architectures that can be used in a web application. There are many web application means there's architectures that you can use to design your web application. There is like three-tier architecture in which you have a client side, uh, business logic, and the data. This is a layer-wise three-tier architecture, and we also had a two-side architecture or two-tier architecture, but we are not going to see these in our tutorial. We are going to see the Model 2 architecture. Model 2 architecture, but it will be fully uh, completed until the last edition of Soccer League web application example. And in the in the very first edition like this, we'll just see what are the three components: model, view, and controller that are uh, used to use in that Model 2 architecture. Basically, this model, view, and architecture are three terms that are used to distinguish between the different components used in the web application. Model is the components which are basically the entities that are used, such as in this Soccer League web application, it is the league that will behave as model. It gives you an entity which uh, like we will have this league objects which we are going to list when we click on when the players click on this link, when the player click on when the administrator click on this link, which we will have in different edition. We'll have the new league object created, and such things are basically communicating with this model class, okay, directly or indirectly. But this controller class is controller components are basically the components that controls the flow of the web application. It is like the, you can say, the decision box that is used in a flow chart. So as the flow chart instructs the algorithm which flow it has to take, it decides which flow does the program is going to take. In the same manner, the controller controls the web application, controls the flow of our web application. And view component are like this HTML page which helps you to see whatever it is being displayed. Okay, so in this video tutorial, in this particular video, I'll make a new servlet. Now what does this servlet is? This servlet is also a Java class, but it imports many HTTP like HTTP servlet and another interfaces which helps us and reduces our code writing. So I am giving my servlet this name, Leslie servlet, and I'll be keeping it under the view package. Now I have to give it this name, this link what we added up here, list underscore leagues dot view. Okay, so I was giving it the name list leagues dot view. This will be the URL pattern. Finish. So now when I run this program, till it is running, I uh, mm, let's see what's different in this sublet. This sublet is different um, from the basic Java classes, as this imports various things like this IO exception, print writer, HTTP servlet, request response, and it extends this HTTP servlet and uh, overrides these do get, do post, and get servlet info. These whole of the methods by itself. We do not have to do that by ourselves, and we have since this is a Java class, not an HTML page, we cannot write a HTML content directly into this, uh, and that's why we have to make a print writer object out, and we write this HTML code inside this println statement. It's just like that, the file handling thing, and our application is finally ran. Now I'm clicking this, and it should redirect to this less leak servlet, and this is what it's written by default, less leak servlet at Soccer League 1. So we are going to change that. Firstly, we are going to change the title. I'll make it Soccer League list all leagues, and I'll make list of leagues, and just make out dot print colon. Whoa, what happened just now? Oh, I know, it's freezing again. Yeah. But before I continue, I have to make a Java class named lead, and this is where I can explain you guys that what is the need of this model class lead. As here I have to make this list of leagues, so I haven't uh, have nothing like any entity of which I can make a list of. That's why I have to make a class of league, but this is not like actually having some HTML content up here, so that's why it's model. Okay, so we have made one more thing I want to add is here. I want to have a constructor public leak, not leak. Ooh, I want a leak, a string data, string season, and enter here. This dot title is equals to how long do I have to wait? this dot I just want to have three getter methods. Public string get title. It's trees again. I don't know what's my PC today. Return title. Can you believe it? It has 8 GB of RAM, 8 GBs of RAM. Can you just believe it? I think you cannot. If it starts freezing like that, nobody can. It actually was a pretty cool PC, but why it's behaving like that when I'm recording a video, I don't know. Oh, what I'm writing here, return it. So that's it. We have made a leak class. I just want to have imported the import java.util.list. Yeah, I'm waiting. Link list and import java.util.list. Okay, I'm not importing anymore. I'll import it later on. So now when I have to make the list, firstly I have to create some. So firstly I'll make list league list equals to new link list. Yeah, now I want to add some leagues in this list. I have to wait. I can wait. Not add. Okay. I'll have this summer soccer league 2013, then summer, then 2013 as my year, but it is league. And since the league was not imported, it is giving this error, and since it is processing very slow, it's now it has errors. Okay, scanning in process. What the heck? League list. I surely have to play now less games on this. I think it's getting older. I have Winter League 13, Winter, and 2013. I know this is very boring stuff, but we have to do it. I promise this is the last one. Autumn League, and this I'm going to have of 2012. This is autumn. no matters. Okay, so we have 3 leagues added in this league list now. Now I just want you people to have this displayed on our web page. So I'm having this iterator object items, and I'll iterate through this league list. So league list dot iterator while it seems my PC has got back his life. While has, yeah, sorry, what the hell? Okay, it's not imported, that's why it cannot. Items on next. What the hell? What's giving that? Okay, I'm not written that parenthesis, that's why. Now this is an important step. League is equals to league items dot next. What the hell is this? You might be thinking. But we are doing is typecasting. Here the items is an object of iterator class. So since we have to get the name of our leagues, that's why I have to access this get title method, and that's why I can access it only through the league classes object. That's why I have to create a new league object, and here I typecasted the items dot next, not the items, and that is due to the fact that I have to iterate also in this while loop. So basically we are doing the two things in one step. We are also typecasting the items in this iterator to the league class inside this league object, and we are also changing this item, this league basically, by having this items dot next. So that's it, we have done. So to have it printed, I have to write out the print ln println I want to have a list item, and I will have a unordered list up here, starting and closing down up here, unordered list, and under the list item I'll have my league dot get title. So I'll save it and refresh this page, and then click on this. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Something unexpected happened. And what's that? Unordered list started up from here, ended up here. So it was an error, there was a mistake, cause I had this items declared before this unordered list started. I paused the video and meanwhile, and I just pasted it below and it bam, list all leagues and all the leagues are here displayed. So this is our short sweet little soccer league example. Here we can list all leagues. So how cool is that? In the next video I'll have some more components of this, like I can tell I'll show you in the next video. So please like if you liked it, if you learned something, and please subscribe, and you're free to comment anything on this video. If you hated, dislike, like any, I don't know what do you hate the most. Write hate in the comments. See you in the next video.